If you want to collect post-call feedback with a quick survey, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a simple and efficient process to gather valuable insights from your callers using a survey. This approach will not only improve your customer experience, but also help you fine-tune your service. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share a special bonus for you. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need a tool to create your survey. You can use a variety of software options for this, but I've tested the top ones and will be recommending one that I've found to be the most reliable and easy to set up. You can follow along and use this tool with a free trial, which is exclusive to you, the viewers of my channel. Check the description below for more details. Once you have your survey tool ready, it's time to design your survey. Keep it short and simple. You want your customers to feel like they can quickly provide feedback without a hassle. Ideally, aim for no more than 5 to 7 questions. Start with an overall satisfaction question, something like, how would you rate your experience on a scale from 1 to 5? This sets the tone and gives you an easy metric to analyze. Next, include a few open-ended questions. Ask things like, what did you like most about the call? Or what could we improve? These responses will give you actionable insights into what's working and where there's room for improvement. Remember, the key to gathering valuable feedback is making sure the questions are clear and relevant to the call. Once your survey is ready, it's time to integrate it into your call system. The easiest way to do this is by using automated post-call surveys. Many systems allow you to send the survey via text, email, or even through a follow-up call. I highly recommend using email or SMS because they're quick and convenient for your customers to respond to. After the call ends, your customer should immediately receive the survey. Timing is crucial here. The sooner they get it, the fresher the experience in their minds. This is why email or SMS are such great options. They're immediate. Now, here's a quick tip. Add an incentive. Offering a small discount or entry into a prize draw can dramatically increase your response rate. It's a simple trick to boost engagement, and it works well. Once the responses start coming in, analyze them regularly. Look for trends in customer feedback, both positive and negative. This will help you understand areas that need attention and where you're excelling. The goal is continuous improvement, and the more data you have, the better decisions you can make. To recap, collecting post-call feedback with a quick survey is simple. Use a tool to create a short, easy-to-answer survey. Integrate it into your post-call system, send it quickly, and offer an incentive to boost responses. Then, regularly analyze the data to make improvements. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. You can use the software we're recommending to set up your surveys and start collecting valuable feedback right away. Key takeaway: post-call surveys are an essential tool for improving customer experience and service quality. Keep your survey short, integrate it into your post-call process, and always be ready to act on the feedback you get. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial below.